We've tested a fair amount of exhaust for this car now. I think over 10 different exhausts, and I'd say I'm pretty well versed in exhaust for this car. Today we have the Apex I RS Evolution Extreme Catback exhaust. The other Apex I exhaust that we've tested on this car is the N1X. You can tell just by looking at them, this one's a little bit different. Instead of the separate dual mufflers and Helmholtz resonators, this has a large suitcase style muffler. So because it has the large muffler, or the larger muffler, it is going to be a bit more on the quieter side. I'd compare it to the Faction Fab exhaust in terms of how loud it is. It's 60 millimeter piping all the way through, which is 2.36 inches. And it ends with some massive 123 millimeter tips, which is 4.84 inches, I believe, which is pretty dang large. They are titanium tips. My favorite part about this exhaust is the exhaust tips. They are titanium tips, they're rolled edges, and double walled, which is what I prefer. The inside of the tips are black, so it hides the exhaust soot, so you don't have to worry about cleaning them ever so often. And they do a fantastic job of filling out those cutouts. Now, it's a two-piece design, so it's super easy to install. Fun fact, Apex I actually designed this exhaust with the metal heat expansion in mind. So when you first install it, it might seem like there's a tight clearance with the bumper, but when you actually drive the exhaust and it heats up, it's supposed to lower down a little bit so you don't melt your bumper. Kind of interesting fact that I learned about this exhaust. Now, as far as how it sounds, I would classify this as a gentleman's exhaust. It's nowhere near obnoxious. So if you're trying to let your inner boy racer out, this probably isn't the exhaust for you. But if you're looking for something that's mild, has a low sporty tone to it, and you don't want something that's obnoxious enough to annoy your neighbors, your wife, or your kids, and you want nothing to do with drone, this may be a great option for you. It weighs in at 32 pounds, so a couple pounds less than the stock exhaust. Nothing too crazy, but you're probably not buying an exhaust like this to shave as much weight as possible anyway. You're likely buying it because you like how it looks and how it sounds. And Apex I is known for their product quality, that's what the word I'm looking for. It looks amazing, just like the N1X that we've tested previously, and it is a good sounding exhaust. It's just not super loud. So if that's something that you're wanting, this is a good option for you. I still love how it sounds, and when you get on it, you can certainly hear it, but then when you're just cruising around, it doesn't bother you at all. Some of the exhausts that we've tested have some annoying drone, or they're just constantly there. And with this, you can just cruise around town or long trips and it won't bother you whatsoever. So if you want to pick up this exhaust for yourself, I'll drop a link down in the description. Let me know what you guys think and comment down below what other exhausts you guys would like to hear. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. It does have a great tone to it. It sounds good.